Welcome Miss Universe India, Manika Vishwakarma.
Manika is a model, actor, and chess player whose award-winning
paintings have been recognized at the national level. India.
Hi Manika.
Hello.
So how are you feeling
So
tonight?
beauty beyond the crown. It's a purpose in action
So
for
emotional
India
right now
and for Russia.
because this is one place that I've always wanted to travel. This is one place that I always wanted to be in, and this is the moment that I'm actually witnessing right in front of me. So this is actually the best feeling in the world.
Okay, so I've heard that this is your first time in, not just in Mizoram, in the Northeast. Is that right?
That's absolutely true.
So, as you're in Mizoram, I would like to ask you that have you learned any Mizo words?
Oh, I've learned to say hi, which is shabai. And yeah, pretty much that's it for now.
Oh, so I will teach you one more. Is that fine? Okay, so thank you is kalome, kalome.
Kalome. Can you teach me how to say my name?
Your name. So coming to is my name is coming to.
Coming to Manika.
Such a fast learner. Oh, Miss Universe India ni om reng ani so. Thank you, Miss Manika Vishwakarma. You may proceed. Thank you, Miss Manika.